The code for this project is available in the description below.
A sub to the channel would be naughty.
And a sub to the channel would be?
No, Fandavidozy.
Fandavidozy.
A
Thanks.
sub to the channel would be colourful. Yes, then a sub to the channel would be so nice. And a sub to the channel would be very buzzing. I actually learned something on this trip.
And a sub to the channel would be timeless.
A sub to the channel would be remarkable.
Then a sub to the channel would be glorious.
Then a sub to the channel would be noteworthy. Then a sub to the channel would be fungible. Then a sub to the channel would be rich. Then a sub to the channel would be angelic.
Then a sub to the channel would be intoxicating.
Then a sub to the channel would be opportune. And a sub to the channel would be prized. A sub to the channel would be free. Then a sub to the channel would be smooth. Then a sub to the channel would be flabbergasting. Then a sub to the channel would be honorable. Then a sub to the channel would be unifying. Then a sub to the channel would be touching. A sub to the channel would be immeasurable. Then a sub to the channel would be meaty. Then a sub to the channel would be flipping fantastic. Then a sub to the channel would be warming. A sub to the channel would be safe. Then a sub to the channel would be sound. Then a sub to the channel would be invaluable. Then a sub to the channel would be super. Man. Then a sub to the channel would be appetizing. Then a sub to the channel would be sneaky. Then a sub to the channel would be acceptable. A sub to the channel would be magical. A sub to the channel would be delightful. A sub to the channel would be mighty. And a sub to the channel would be heavenly. And a sub to the channel would be hot. Then a sub to the channel would be perplebib. Then a sub to the channel would be smooth. Then a sub to the channel would be hassle free. Then a sub to the channel would be radical. I'll squeal even more. Then a sub to the channel would be, well, hopefully not dry. A sub to the channel would be remarkable. And a sub to the channel would be juicy. A sub to the channel would be miraculous. A sub to the channel would be wish come true. Then a sub to the channel would be bodacious. A sub to the channel would be divine. Then a sub to the channel would be legendary. And a sub to the channel would be euphoric. A sub to the channel would be good. A sub to the channel would be ultra. A sub to the channel would be ace. And a sub to the channel would be, try again, sweet. A sub to the channel would be spiffing. A sub to the channel would be tasty. A sub to the channel would be stupendous. A sub to the channel would be, well, definitely not boring. A sub to the channel would be magical. A sub to the channel would be absolutely badass. A sub to the channel would be tremendous. A sub to the channel would be miraculous. A sub to the channel would be extraordinary. As I mentioned, a sub to the channel would be brilliant. So a sub to the channel would be incredible. A sub to the channel would be phenomenal. So a sub to the channel would be incredible. By the way, a sub to the channel would be amazing. But a sub to the channel would be amazing. But a sub to the channel would be amazing. So a sub to the channel would be incredible. By the way, a sub to the channel would be amazing. So a sub to the channel would be incredible. A sub to the channel would be incredible. So a sub to the channel would be incredible.